What are the penalties for engaging in racketeering?
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a serious and complex legal topic, racketeering. We'll specifically focus on the penalties that those convicted of such charges may face under the law. It's important to note that the laws and penalties can vary from country to country, but for today's discussion, we'll primarily focus on the United States context under the Racketeer Influenced and Corrupt Organizations Act, RICO Act.
What is racketeering?
Before discussing the penalties, let's clarify what racketeering actually means. Racketeering refers to organized efforts to conduct illegal activities or businesses, often with the goal of generating illicit profit. It can encompass a wide range of criminal acts including bribery, extortion, fraud, illegal gambling, and money laundering, among others. The RICO Act, passed in the U.S. in 1970, was designed to combat organized crime more effectively by allowing law enforcement to charge individuals or organizations for participating in or leading a criminal enterprise that engages in racketeering.
What are the penalties for racketeering under the RICO Act?
The penalties for racketeering under the RICO Act are quite severe. For individuals or organizations convicted under this act, prison sentence, they can face up to 20 years in prison per racketeering count. If the Racketeering Act involved a crime that has a longer maximum sentence, the individual or group could potentially be sentenced for a longer duration. Fines. Convicts can be fined up to $250,000 or twice the amount of illicit profits, whichever is greater. Asset forfeiture. The government can seize and take ownership of any assets obtained through the illegal activity. This can be devastating for criminal organizations as it directly hits their operations and profits. It's important to note that each racketeering act or predicate act is considered separately, which means that an individual or organization can face multiple counts of racketeering for multiple illegal acts.
Are there additional civil penalties?
Yes, beyond the criminal penalties, those convicted of racketeering may face civil lawsuits as well. Parties who have been harmed by the activities of the racketeering enterprise can sue for damages in civil court. If successful, the plaintiff can potentially be awarded triple the amount of actual damages, plus attorney's fees. This can result in substantial financial liabilities for those convicted of racketeering. In conclusion, racketeering is a serious crime that carries hefty penalties under the RICO Act. Convictions can result in long prison sentences, substantial fines, and the forfeiture of assets. Additionally, convicts may face civil lawsuits resulting in further financial burdens. Hopefully, this video has helped you understand the high stakes involved in such criminal activities. Stay informed and stay safe.